Hey guys, welcome to Brickstars. Today we're going to be doing some add-ons to the medieval town square. This was a set that came out a couple months ago, one of our favorite sets already. Really awesome looking set. It's an update to the old medieval market village, and it uses a lot of new parts, a lot of detailed parts, interesting minifigures, detailed elements. You can see here we have a little cheese cart, a little cheese stand. There's minifigures that work with furniture making and trimming animals. And then the Wolfpack Knight returns. So what a great looking set. And we felt there was a couple pieces missing, a couple small elements that could really take this set to the next level. So in this video, we're going to show you a couple small add-ons that we have that we think really complete the set. First up is a very easy add-on, and that was adding a shield to one of the Lion Knights. We thought it was kind of funny that we got a knight to guard the village, but he has no shield. And just one knight, we didn't think that was enough to fight off the wolf pack, so we added a second knight as well. An extra minifigure never hurts. Speaking of the wolf pack, we thought this minifigure was simply missing the shield. Here we have one of the original wolf pack shields because of course we didn't get the new print, but you can imagine how much better this set would have been with the added shield. One thing we were surprised that the town didn't feature was a central statue. So here we've got a quick little build of a knight on top of a platform featuring the Lion Knight's shield. Because of course this village falls under the realm of the Lion Knights. We added a little bit of foliage, some flowers, and we think it's a very simple build that could have been included in the set, and we really wish it was. Next up, we wanted to add some more stalls to the medieval town. So here we have a pottery stand, and this one was inspired by the pottery minifigure from a couple collectible minifigure series ago, but also because we really love the color of these terracotta pieces, the cups. We use the pumpkin piece to kind of represent a cool looking bowl. There's some pieces of clay that are just kind of sitting on the table there. And so it was a really fun and simple build. The table is inspired by and based off of old school medieval looking pottery tables, and you may recognize the colors of this stand. They're actually in reference to the original medieval village set, which featured the Crown Knights who had blue and dark blue colors. So this is a little bit of a nod to that set. Here we've got a vegetable stand. If you follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen we've already posted this set as kind of a fictional gift with purchase, but here we have a little bit of a better view. We wanted to use the colors of the green chevrons to kind of play a nod to that faction. You can see the bright green and yellow we think work great, and we really had a lot of fun putting together all the different vegetables that go onto this stand. The lettuce, the cabbage, radishes, beets, carrots. So there's some dill in there, some parsley as well. So this stand features a lot of brown, some different angles. There's a chicken as well. We think it's very fitting for a medieval town. Here we have the animal Barber, we'll call him. So we love that this minifigure was included, and it's a very interesting minifigure to add. However, we felt this was a missed opportunity to use the sheep with the wool that has been previously released. So we've thrown that sheep in here, and it's a great accompaniment to the goat. This next minifigure was one of our favorite minifigures released this year, and his torso print looks great. He's known as the tax collector. We felt he needed a horse because we imagine he goes from village to village, town to town. He's in different businesses. He's not going to go by foot. So a simple horse add-on is a must. And last but not least, we wanted to make a little upgrade to the cheese stand. And this is actually a pretty pricey piece off Pick-a-Brick, but the detailed cheese piece is one that we wanted to include. It adds a bit of realism to the set, so we threw that in there. That's the add-ons that we have. Now let's take a quick little recap. Starting with the minifigures, you can see some of the original ones there. We got a lot of them in the set, but adding the pottery lady, the vegetable seller, that piece of cheese, a little girl, and of course another knight just adds a little bit to the set. Looking at the set as a whole, we can see the town looks much more alive. The different colors of canopies, multiple stalls, the statue in the middle. Look at that pottery table, extra minifigures. Here you see the statue with the shiny metal, both Lion Knight's shields showing the table. She's carving a cool looking pot. There's clay, the cheese, and the kitten eating from the milk bowl there. And of course the detailed vegetable stall, the girl buying some radishes. The town just feels alive. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let us know in the comments what you would like to add to the medieval town, and hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.